One of our course students from Dhaka, Bangladesh has asked, what is urban heat island effect? The urban heat island effect is a phenomena where urban areas experience significantly warmer temperature than their rural surroundings. This increase in temperature is a result of human activities and the nature of the urban environments. It's a very big problem worldwide. All the major cities around the world are facing this urban heat island effect because of rapid urbanization and rapid growth that is going on worldwide. And now these factors include solar reflections. So urban materials, urban surfaces, like areas like all areas are filled of concrete, asphalt, and buildings tend to have a lower reflection rate than compared to the natural landscape, which means that they absorb and retain more heat from the surface rather than reflecting it. Also, there is heat absorption and emission happening. These materials commonly used in the urban areas in construction, like concrete and asphalts, absorb the heat throughout the day, and then they release the heat in the evening or in the night, and they release it very, very slowly. So the temperature doesn't come down that well. The temperature is actually retained for a long time. Also, there is a reduced vegetation across this, urban areas worldwide. These areas are typically having low vegetation. Most of the areas are cleared for building large buildings and infrastructures. So that way, typically vegetation cools down the temperature, cools down the atmosphere, and keeps the entire carbon cycle in check. So that is another issue. The temperature is rising because of reduced vegetation in the cities. Also, there is a waste heat problem because cities produce a lot of heat because of the human activities, including industrial processes, transportation, because which is from the cars and buses and trains, and also large scale air conditioning these days everywhere. This waste heat adds up to the ambient temperature of the city. Then building density is another big problem, which is pretty much common everywhere. High density buildings in the urban areas can block the airflow, and it blocks airflow, and there is less cooling happening. The entire ventilation is not there. So that also adds up to the problem because lack of circulation means that heat is trapped in the area, in the same areas. As far as effects are concerned, major cities can be 1 to 3 degrees warmer on average days than their rural surroundings, and nighttime temperature as high as 12 degrees higher compared to the rural areas because of urban heat island. So studies have shown that urban heat island effect can increase the energy consumption in buildings by 5 to 10% due to the higher air conditioning which is needed. So this is urban heat island effect. Thank you very much for your question, and all the best from Mumbai. And you guys are welcome to ask questions, as many questions as you like about environmental and sustainability topics. I'll be happy to answer all of that. Thank you.